Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 airdrops in the cryptocurrency space that you don't want to miss. Airdrops are a type of free giveaway of cryptocurrency coins or tokens to a wide range of potential users. It's a great way for developers to distribute their tokens in an innovative way and to give people an incentive to use their platform. So, without further ado, let's dive in. One of the major airdrop events is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to increase transaction speed, scalability, and security. It's created by a startup using the same name that wants to make blockchain faster, easier, and cheaper for businesses and users. So why do you care? Well, Arbitrum is giving away free tokens in a big airdrop event. It's their way of giving back to the community and giving everybody a chance to get in on the ground floor of this great new technology. But there is one major requirement. In order to receive the free tokens for Arbitrum, you must be an Ethereum user who has already completed at least 2 transactions on the main net. If you haven't done that, you won't be eligible. But there doesn't appear to be a minimum, so you can still act now. The airdrop event is just one part of Arbitrum's mission, which is committed to pushing the limits of Ethereum, making it more scalable, secure, and reliable as a platform for developers. So, if you're an Ethereum user or follower, looking for a chance to get in on the ground floor of a cutting-edge technology, then this airdrop may be a great way to get started for you. Check out Arbitrum today at their website and sign up for the free airdrop to get your free tokens. Another great airdrop event, if you're looking for another easy way to get your hands on some free crypto, is Zksync's ZK Porter airdrop. Zksync is an innovative Ethereum Layer 2 scalability solution that allows developers and users to take advantage of Ethereum's flexibility without running into scalability or transaction speed issues. In other words, Zksync allows developers and users to transact with higher speed and lower costs compared to using the Ethereum mainnet directly. As part of their efforts to encourage adaptation of their technology, Zksync is launching an airdrop of their native token called ZK Porter. If you're interested in taking advantage of this offer, all you have to do is fill out a pretty simple form on their website, plug in your wallet information, and wait for the tokens to roll in. It's pretty much that simple. So you definitely don't want to wait on this. Jump while you can, because they're going to close it off after they give away a certain amount of tokens. So go get your free cryptos from Zksync airdrop, and the links are going to be in the description below so that you can go to their websites. The next pretty good airdrop is the Layer 0. Layer 0 is a pretty evolutionary cryptocurrency on the internet that provides more control, safety, and trustworthiness than ever before. With Layer 0, all of its users have an identity that they control while enjoying pretty lightning-fast user transactions. That's why the team at Layer 0 is also running an airdrop, and everybody's going to be able to get involved and get some tokens for themselves. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty easy to get started. All you would need to do is create an identity on Layer 0's platform. You connect your cryptocurrency wallet, and just like that, you're starting to receive rewards. The great news about that is that the airdrop is not just limited to 1 or 2 tokens. The rewards are spread across different cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making this a really excellent opportunity for anybody interested in the cryptocurrency. That's not all. As well as the rewards for tokens, you'll also be helping to shape the Layer 0 network and benefit from its cutting-edge technology. So don't delay on this one. Sign up today and take advantage of the Layer 0 airdrop. The next coin we're going to talk about is called Sui coin. SUI, or SWI, is an airdrop that does the same thing, allowing token holders access to exclusive benefits, rewards, and discounts. The SWI airdrop rewards participants with digital tokens based on their participation in certain activities or interactions. By taking part in the SWI airdrop, token holders can earn a range of exclusive rewards, including free products and discounts from its leading merchants, as well as priority access to services. The more tokens that you earn, the bigger and better rewards you can unlock. What sets SWI airdrop apart from other token reward programs is that you can trade in your earned tokens for any asset class available on the SWI airdrop platform. This means that you're not restricted to earning a single reward currency, and you can enjoy a wide range of rewards from different merchants. The SWI airdrop also takes security very seriously, and all of its tokens are stored on a secure and protected wallet. All the transactions are also protected using the latest encryption technology, so it ensures that your personal data and token balances remain safe. Finally, the SWI airdrop is free to join and easy to use. All you have to do is sign up, and you can start earning rewards right away. So join the SWI airdrop today and get the exclusive benefits and the rewards that you deserve. Last but not least, we're going to discuss Starkware's airdrop. Starkware's airdrop was first announced in December on 2019 and was recently completed in March of 2020. Participants were rewarded with tokens to their wallets and also rewarded with 2 times the tokens after achieving certain milestones. The key elements of the airdrop were the fact that participants could get 2 times the amount of tokens when certain tasks were completed, such as using their wallets for purchases, having more than 10 friends on the platform, and holding the token for more than 30 days. Starkware has always been ahead of the curve when it comes to distributing tokens in pretty innovative ways. They also do a great job of creating buzz around their projects. For example, during the airdrop, they set up a mini-game with missions and achievements, where people were able to compete against each other to earn more tokens. Starkware has also shown themselves to be the forefront of the industry with their airdrop. With innovative tasks, mini-games, and generous rewards, their airdrop was a huge success. To sign up for airdrops, you typically need to follow these same steps for every single different type of token. The first is to find the cryptocurrency project that is offering an airdrop. You can visit my channel or different channels on YouTube that can keep you up to date. This can be done also by scrolling social media platforms like Twitter, Telegram, or Reddit, and also checking websites that list upcoming airdrops. Make sure you meet the eligibility requirements for the airdrop. Some airdrops are only available to users who hold a certain amount of the participating cryptocurrency, while others may require you to complete certain tasks, such as joining a Telegram group or following a Twitter account. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, you just need to provide your wallet address to receive the airdropped tokens. So be sure to double check the address you provide to avoid losing your tokens. The next step is usually to complete the additional steps required by the project, such as filling out a form or submitting a KYC verification, which stands for Know Your Customer. Finally, keep an eye on the wallet. The airdrop tokens are soon to arrive. Some airdrops may take several weeks or even months to distribute, so be patient and stay updated on the progress of the airdrop. Thank you for watching, and until next time. If you do happen to grab any of these coins, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.